Namaste, Masters. Today's pranayama practice. This session will guide you through some basic and powerful breathwork techniques that will help you relax, improve focus, and enhance your energy. So, in this video, we will cover a warm up, basic inhalation exhalation techniques, Anulom Vilom, square breathing, and finish with Om Pranayama, also known as a Pranayama. These are simple practices that can be done daily to improve both physical and mental well-being. So we begin with the warm-up. So let's start by preparing the body for our breathwork practice. Sit comfortably in a quiet space with your spine straight. Close your eyes and bring your awareness to your breath. So it's just a simple deep breathing. Take a deep inhale through your nose, filling your belly, then your ribs, and finally your chest. If you cannot feel it, place your left palm on your belly, the right palm on your chest, and then just observe and exhale slowly through your nose, letting your chest, ribs, and belly gently contract. One more time. Take a deep breath in, belly out, then ribs, and finally chest. Inhale completely and exhale through your nose. Chest, ribs, and belly gently in. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. You may pause the video and complete your 5 rounds of deep breathing, focusing on smooth flows of the breathing. This will help activate your respiratory muscles and bring awareness to your breath. So we finished our first exercise, warm up. Now the second exercise. Inhalation and exhalation technique. Now let's work on basic inhalation and exhalation control. Sit upright and bring your attention to the flow of breath. Inhale deeply through your nose for count 4, filling your lungs completely, and hold the breath gently for count 2 and exhale slowly through your nose for count 6, releasing all the air. Do these 5 rounds, focusing on creating smooth and controlled breath. Now begin. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come back to your normal breath. Do this for 5 rounds. Now we are moving to our third exercise, that is Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breathing. Now begin with this. Sit comfortably with your spine straight. Bring your right hand to your face, using your right thumb to close your right nostril. First 1-2 times inhale, exhale from the left, and just clean up the left, and then we can start. Inhale deeply and slowly through your left nostril. Inhale and exhale. Now start. Inhale and close it, and then exhale through your right. Inhale, close right. Exhale through your left. Inhale, left. Close with your ring finger. Exhale, right. Inhale, right. Close. Exhale, left. Inhale, left. Close. Exhale, right. Inhale. Close. Exhale. Inhale. Close. Exhale. Inhale. Close. Exhale. So this is our alternate nostril breathing exercise. You may choose any one exercise to do more repetitions. So repeat this cycle minimum for 10 to 12 rounds. So now the next exercise is square breathing. So square breathing, now we'll practice square breathing. Sit up straight and close your eyes. And begin by inhaling through your nose for a count of 4. Hold the breath gently for a count of 4. Exhale slowly through your nose for a count of 4. And pause and hold the breath again for a count of 4. So just remember that at the beginning you may not hold or inhale, exhale for count 4. You can start with the count 2 or your own space. So now we are starting square breathing. Inhale, count 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4. Come back to your normal breath. Repeat this square breathing pattern for round 5 or 7. Whenever you want to increase it, you can increase it. This is the square breathing. So now we are going to our next breathing. That is Om breathing or Pranayama breathing. Now, this Om or Pranayama breathing, which connects the body, mind, and spirit to the vibration sound of Om. So, sit comfortably with your spine straight and close your eyes. Bring your hands gently to your knees. You can just keep the hands like this or in Chin Mudra. This is called Chin Mudra. You can just place your palms on your knees and take a deep inhale through your nose. You have to feel the complete body, belly, chest with proper air inside. Just take a gentle breath in and complete belly out, chest rise, this, and then during the exhale, we chant with Om. So make sure that you pronounce the Om properly, slowly and steadily. Allow the sound to resonate from the abdomen. Means with the first sound, Om mix with the U, M. So first, when the air comes out from your belly, so you say U, M. Okay, you don't need to place the hands. Just for your understanding, I'm keeping the hands. So now we start. Sit comfortably with your spine straight, with the chin mudra. Rest. Keep on your knees and inhale completely. Inhale, your belly out, chest rise. And now we start with the Om. Om. Inhale, belly out, chest rise. And now we start with the Om. With exhale. Inhale, exhale. One more round. Inhale, exhale. Come back to normal breath. You can this Om chanting for 5 or 11 rounds, whatever suits you. With this, you can make sure that with this exercise, O, 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 So the sound should come from your nose. And you can make practice Om, Om. This Om breathing calms the mind, space, balance energy, and helps connect you with your inner self. So great job. You have completed your basic pranayama practice. Take a few moments now to sit quietly and notice the sensation in your body and mind. So remember, these simple breathing techniques can be practiced daily to reduce stress, enhance mental clarity, and increase vitality. So thank you for joining me today. I encourage you to incorporate these practices into your routine for lasting breath. Namaste. Thank you.